This is Big Ventures Art. I'm here to train you on how to do a wiring work, just a simple wiring work fascinator. You can cut any size that you want. You fold it round, then join the two edges together. When you join the two edges together, I want to show you how to get a shape at the edge of your wire. You can shape it to any style. Look at it. I've shaped the mouth. I've shaped it. Then I'm going to cut 5 of this wire, 5 of it. Then you take your fabrics. You can take your fabrics. You can use your bias to wrap the wire around. Wrap it round. Then you get it like this. After wrapping it, you wrap your wire around. It will give you something like this. This is 5. We have 5 of it. Then now we are going to join the 5 together to make a fascinator. Put it together like this. You can tack it with your needle and thread. You can wrap it with thread. Join it together with thread. These 3. Then you cut the thread, you tie it so that the wire can join together. You can see, joining the wire together, it will form a base for you. This is a base. Then I'm going to design the top of it. You get your needle and thread. You can use fabrics to design it. I'm going to use this to form a bow. It's just a round circle paper mat. Then I fold the edge. Then I do it like this. Use my needle and thread. You make the second one. We are using 2. Then take your fascinator base, the wire fascinator base that you have made, then put it on top of it. What we need, I'm joining the head with the take the second one and join it. And you can block the center. Use this to cover the center. And see it that you can use wire alone to make your base and design on it. You can see it. See the front. Now let's go to the back. This back, what we do to tie the thread at the back, or the thread, tack all the thread at the back. You take your Alice band and put it at the back here. You first spread paper mats. You use your paper mat to cover this. Then put your Alice band on it and gum it. If you don't know how to fix your Alice band, please go to playlist of videos and check how to fix Alice band. You will see it on short video and you will see it on long video. Thank you. Like it and subscribe.